we are back with another video. Today we have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 42mm. I'm going to do the unboxing video. After opening the box, right away we can see the Galaxy Watch. We have midnight black color. This must be the extra strap that comes with the watch. We have a power brick on the box, some booklets, we don't need it, and we got the cable and the charger. The cable seems pretty long, and this is the charger. Let's turn on the watch. It has a 270 mAh battery. The OS is Tizen based wearable OS 4.0. It have a 1.5 GB RAM and 4 GB internal storage. It fits perfectly on my wrist. I'm done setting up the watch. Let us take a look. Notifications. This is the back key. This is the home. This is the notification panel. We have different watch faces. I think I like this one. Let's customize it. So this is the unboxing and my first impression of Samsung Galaxy Watch. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.